Let's make the exercise one in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the right plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So we'll create this sketch here. We have the dimensions here. So open the Inventor. Go to Start 2D Sketch and select the right plane. Select the line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 100 millimeters. This line here, 25. Make this line here. Now go to dimension, select this line here, 8 millimeters here. And this line here has 25 millimeters. We made this, finish the sketch. Now we needed to extrude this. So we need to extrude this 50 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction, select symmetric and the distance 50 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we needed to create this hole here. So the diameter 20 millimeters. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here is 55 millimeters. And it has a constraint here. It is vertical, this point, vertical with this one. So go to Start 2D Sketch, select this face here, select a circle, make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. Go to dimension, the distance between this point and this point here, 55 millimeters. Now select this point, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select this point here and add a constraint here, vertical, and finish the sketch. Now we needed to make a cut, so go to Extrude, the output, select cut, and the distance here selected through all. May you need to flip the direction, okay? And press OK. Now select the part, click here and adjust and add color here, press OK. Here we finish your exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.